Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sasikumar Paranaman. Today we are going to analyze few stocks. It will be really performing good for the last few weeks. And before investing any stock, not only these stocks, and before investing any stocks, you just analyze your own. Okay, let's move to the analysis part. The first stock is Praj Industries, PRAJIND, Praj Industries, and it's really performing good for the few weeks. You can see the gradual improvement every week. You are watching day candle, it's really performing good. I think it will be moving further more. And this Praj Industries lifetime high, it was 277. It was on 2008, and my thought is it will be surely hitting the lifetime high, so please add it in your watch list if needed. And the next stock is Rain Industries. See the market cap and 1 year return and 1 month return, everything looks good, and the stock is trading around 173. And see the performance, everything looks good, and it was 137 few weeks back, but now 173, and the lifetime high for the stock is 476. It was on 2018, and now it is trading around 173, and my opinion is it will purely hit 200 plus very soon. And the next stock is Steel Authority of India, SAIL. See the market cap, 1 month return, 1 year return is 250%, and nowadays SAIL is performing really very good, and it's currently trading around 93 plus. And this stock, see the chart, it's performing really good, and its lifetime high, it was 290 plus. It was on 2009, so surely it will reach 100 very soon. And the next stock is Motherson Sumi Systems. Its market cap is really very good, and 1 year return is 190%, and it's currently trading around 213, and the lifetime high, it was 267. It was on 2018, and my opinion for this stock, it will surely cross the 267 very soon. And the next stock is Canara Bank. Even though bank sectors are not performing really good, but Canara Bank we can trust, and we can invest some money. I'm not telling you to invest your whole amount into the Canara Bank, but you can consider some part of your amount. See, it's now currently trading around 134 plus, and it was on 175 few weeks back, but it's the right time to invest some part of your amount in this stock. And the lifetime high, it was around 820 plus. It was on 2010 mid, and now it's currently trading around 134 plus only. And please make your own analysis before investing any stocks. And the next stock is Hindustan Copper Limited. It's a metal stock, and nowadays the metal sectors are really performing good. And see the market cap, 1 month return, 1 year return, so everything looks good. 1 year return is 428%. Wow. And coming to the chart, and it's currently trading around 130 plus, and it was on 165 few weeks back, and 114 rupees, it comes to 130 plus now. And the lifetime high for the stock is 660 rupees. It was on 2010, and it's currently trading around 134 plus. So if need, you can add it in your watch list. And the next stock is Granules India Limited. It's a former stock, and see the market cap, 1 year return is 105%. And coming back to the chart, it's currently trading around 329 plus, and it's went to the lifetime high of 430 plus on last December only, so you can add it in our watch list, and surely it will cross the lifetime high very soon. It's my opinion. And the next stock is Cadila Healthcare. It's also a pharma stock nowadays. Pharma stocks are really performing very good since COVID-19 issue. All the pharma stocks are performing very good. So it's the time to invest in pharma stocks. Check the fundamental market cap and 1 year return, 1 month return, everything looks good. And coming back to the chart and see the chart, day chart, it's continuously going upside, and it's currently trading around 570 plus. Soon it will reach 600 plus. If we convert into monthly candle and see the growth of this stock, it's going upside. So this is also one of the best stock in pharma sector. You can invest, but before investing twice, it's your own risk. Okay guys, I'm again telling, before investing any stock, think twice and reanalyze everything. All the best. Until, it's me Sasikumar Parandaman. Love you all.